Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have bought one more parcel from Amazon, and this is again one more action cam for my biking and vlogging in future. And as I said earlier in the vlog as well, I've just did one more product, which is Cam Park unboxing as well, which is an action cam, and now I'm trying to get a different brand. And this parcel is from Amazon, so I ordered this for myself, and might take some time in loading. Unboxing, so much of pain. Here is the product. This is Akaso V50X. I did compare it with the Hero GoPro 8. A couple of things which was definitely different when it come to GoPro was this product especially is really good in image stabilization, which has electronic image stabilization, but and also saturation is currently lesser on this particular thing, but it is slightly higher again on GoPro, which is slightly artificial and superficial, what I feel. And when compared to the price point that this comes in, that is about $350, and this is about close to $100. And that's one of the reasons I got it as well. And investing on a product which is more value for money is right, or what I feel. And the reason why I got one more GoPro was Cam Park is a good product definitely, but in terms of image stabilization, I did try out. There is no sync in between image stabilization of the product, so that's one of the reason I got this, because super sport bike especially runs on a really high speed, and about 100ish itself it was not capturing great speed. If I have to touch 200 and all, it will make my life really difficult, so I wanted to order this. And again, as I said, I wanted to unbox right in front of you guys, and that's one of the reason I'm doing it as well. Definitely better than GoPro 8. I did check out myself, and I did look into a lot of reviews on YouTube itself. This is one of the reasons that I got. And the product specification, here it is. This comes up with integrated wireless network, display 2-inch IPS, and 4K technology, and it's about 20 megapixel, and it's a decent product as well. And it comes up with a bunch of accessories. And I know my videos are getting too long nowadays, but I'll try to improve in the coming vlogs, since I'm doing it for the first time. I'm even really scared to come in front of the camera as well, to be very honest with you guys. And here's the product itself. This is the camera. So this is the camera. So this is the camera itself, and it has been mounted to the box, so I can remote. Let me do it later, maybe. So it comes up with a bunch of accessories inside the box as well, and a lot of things inside. Couple of straps, mounts, couple of cloths, and a remote, USB, an extra battery, couple for the mounts, and dual battery charger, which is super helpful. And one more mount, small mounts. There is one more protection. There is one more battery as well. A reference guide in case if I want to look into stuff. Pretty cool. Not too big as the other one. It's very small. I liked it personally. And then let me jump into the GoPro itself. I'm really not sure how to remove this, because they mounted it with cool. So this is the product, guys, and I'll try to remove it later. And coming next would be a lot of vlogging through this particular product. And kindly subscribe to my channel Rakshitanga09. If you have any questions, shoot out below. I'll be happy to explain as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.